Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a team in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to create a new team with the same structure, channels, and settings as an existing one, saving you tons of setup time. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the workspace where your teams are located. This step ensures you have access to all the teams you might want to duplicate. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several navigation options. Click on Teams. This section displays all the teams you're currently a member of and gives you access to team management features. Next, click on See All Your Teams. This option expands your view to show every team available in your workspace, making it easier to find the one you want to duplicate and manage your teams more effectively. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on Create Team. This button is your starting point for building any new team, whether from scratch or based on an existing one. When the Creation menu appears, click on More Create Team options. This will reveal additional ways to create your team beyond the basic templates, giving you more control over how your new team is structured. On the left side of the screen, you'll now see different creation methods. Click on From Another Team. This is the key option that allows you to duplicate an existing team rather than starting completely fresh. A list of your available teams will appear. Select the team you want to duplicate. Think carefully here, as this team will serve as the template for your new one, including its channels, settings, and structure. Next, you'll need to input a team name and description for your new duplicate team. Choose something descriptive that clearly differentiates it from the original while still reflecting its purpose. The description helps team members understand what the team is for. Now click on Privacy to set the visibility of your new team. You'll have two options here, private or public. Choose private if you want the team to be invitation only, or public if you want anyone in your organization to be able to find and join it. Below the privacy settings, you'll see a section labeled Choose what you'd like to include from the original team. This is where you decide exactly what gets copied over from your original team. Check the checkboxes for the elements you want to include. Your options are channels, tabs, team settings, apps, and members. For example, if you want the same channel structure but different members, you'd check channels but leave members unchecked. Select whatever combination fits your needs, then click Create, and that's it. Microsoft Teams will now create your duplicate team with all the selected elements from the original. This gives you a perfectly structured team without having to manually recreate everything from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.